guys, mag-visit mo diri sa Salagdoong Beach. Siquijor kay very nice siya guys. Tag 50 lang ang entrance, 50 pesos. Kan kay foreigner diri guys oh. So sadly hindi ako pwedeng maligo kay nag-ribbon man ko guys, plus kilay, bawal man na siyang dagat guys. So dili ko pwedeng maligo guys. And then pwede na po siya guys nag-picnic mga family. Tara po siya picnic na to guys. Oh nice oh. Did you ka move on sa kanais? Akong bodyguard. Bodyguard oh. My driver, bodyguard, best friend, enemy, husband, home. Anyway, marami siyang corals. Very nice corals. I want to bring some corals, but I don't know. I think just get me. Das schätze ich.
Da hinten ist auch noch ein Restaurant, glaube ich.
Yes guys, and here you can see here so many women with bikini. It's very normal here guys. And you can also do here snorkeling if you like snorkeling. See. Oh, nice siya mag-snorkeling. And there's cuckoos. Ha? Ay, maglaupin daw mi. Yeah, barumnis. Guys, maglaupin daw mi guys. Oh, cuckoos. It's so nice, so relaxing. This is the strand here. Visit mo sa Salagdoong Beach sa Maria Siquijor. Naana dire located, napakaganda. Very beautiful. Og sa katong beach uy. Falls. Kabungaga. Wie heißt das? Kabungay Falls. Ja, das ist da auch Toilette. Here is cottages.
Oder?
Yes, bye. Here is cottages, guys. This is cottages here. This is cottages here. Yeah, it's cottages. Das ist cottages here. Was ist nicht wie viel muss bezahlen da? Ja, natürlich. Ja, das ist cottages. Du benutzt, dann du bezahlst. Zum Beispiel, so wie da auch. Mach ein Picknick hier, da auch. Visit here, very nice beach here. This one is floating boat, I think. So, if you know where this area located is, this is Maria Siquijor, Philippines. The name is Salagdoong Beach. Ah? 9. Das ist nur die Kunde oder Gäste da. Ist okay here. Hey, guck mal, interessante. Here, oh, guck mal. Ang dami magaganda din pala dito sa Siquijor, ha? In fairness, ha? At, guys, hindi nakakatakot yung Siquijor. Okay?
Das ist ja klar.
Ha?
Flade, Wasser.
Schon, ja?
Mhm.
Ich denke, da ist mehr schon. Wow. Guys, Sikihor is a very nice island. You don't need to be afraid to come here in Sikihor. There is no barangan here or hexe. There is no hexe. Unda is a very big stone. Nalimbaro na. Ako daw kuno'y barangan dire giatay mistiyo eh. Ala, wow! Wow! There's a hidden. Ay my God, napakaganda naman talaga. Oo. Guys, oh, naidag kong ligating. Oh my God, it's very beautiful. Wow. Wow. Wow, what the fuck? There is so many beautiful here. Wow. Wow, Shaisi, that's so nice. Ang ganda. Ah, so beautiful. Oh. Oh, look at that. Oh my God, what a beauty. Oh, hidden paradise in Sikihor. Nobody knows it, only me. I want to live here. Here in this area. Wow.